On today's video, the Corsa tells us a knock-knock joke. But before we start this video, remember to click subscribe and the bell notification. Set it to all and it'll notify you every time I upload a video. Cheers guys. So as some of you have seen, we took the car out. I still haven't got the oil cooler on. I'm on about the Corsa. Took it out, got excited, started shooting some flames. Initially just went out to go get some miles on it. Got excited, as I say, started shooting flames. We're on it's like a week after since it's happened. Not touched the car, left it to the side. Got an engine sorted out. That's getting a full rebuild. Well, not a full rebuild, but it's having a rebuild kit. So water pump, bearings, seals, head gasket, head studs. But using all the original crank, pistons, rings. It's not having any hooning work or all that done. But I'm just at the car now. Check the water level, check the oil level. They seem fine. So I'm just going to give it a start up. Don't know what I'm hoping for, but I just want to see what it does. So yeah, that's your update. I am currently just getting some tools because I've still got the... what have I got? I've got the pads to put on to the rear of the time attack car on the back passenger side. I've got it spun around now, the car. But yeah, so we've got an engine to put in the Corsa. That's your update. It's gonna have a rebuild. Then the engine that comes out of the Corsa, that is going to be getting assessed. It's going to be getting looked over when it comes out. We think it just spun a shell on the timing chain side. That's what it sounds like. It's not over bad, it's not a spatter rod, there's no holes in the block. So what I think is going to happen with that is that's going to come out. It's rather going to have a simple rebuild depending how bad the damage is, with some ARP head studs, or depending if it's a bit worse and it's caused some damage to the crank, which I think it might have done, and one of the rods, then it's going to be sent off to Nick Chemsel, well-known guy for doing the engines. That's going to cost me, I think it were like north of £1,600. So that engine would then get stripped down, sent to him, fully hooned, sandblasted. Won't be sandblasted, it'll be acid dipped, I'm guessing. and all that good stuff, new pistons, new rods, ARP head studs, all that. And then we've got another spare engine. If that engine's totally pants, I'll buy another engine and I'll just do another simple rebuild on that one. Then we can get onto what we was originally going to do and get an F28 gearbox with a Quaife diff, because we had contacts with someone that had one, and that's what we was getting next. But obviously now I've done the engine, so the engine's getting swapped, oil cooler's getting put on, and we should have a fresh engine basically, apart from pistons and rings, but they don't tend to go, should be alright. But all that'll be checked anyway when it gets pulled apart to have to rebuild. So yeah, that's that update. I'm just on my way up now to the time attack car, as I say. So then there'll be like a normal video instead of just like a vloggy one. But yeah, you know what's going on. That's what's happened. Mistakes happen, shit happens. So yeah, remember guys, whatever you're doing today, make it different. Remember to like, comment, subscribe. See you later.